Hello guys! Welcome to Abby and Filter TV. Today, kakain tayo dito sa Johnny's Kitchen. Actually, newly open lang sila na kainan dito sa Villares Commercial. And they are also serving yung sikat ngayon, yung mga tumbong. So we ordered spicy tumbong, buttered chicken. And of course, dahil Kapampangan tayo, itatry din natin yung sisig nila. Pero hindi na natin dito kakainin, i-review natin siya sa bahay. I am just happy na may bago na namang kainan dito na pwede nating puntahan at pwedeng pamilian. So paano? Tara, samahan nyo kami. Hello guys! So nandito na yung order natin, yung spicy tumbong, buttered chicken, and their sisig. So, looks appetizing, pero tikman natin. So, unahin natin yung tumbong kasi, di ba, usong-uso to ngayon eh. Yung spicy tumbong. Wow! Let's try. Wow! Malambot, in fairness. Di ba yung ibang tumbong medyo chewy? Ito malambot and hindi siya malansa. Wow! Pwede, try nyo to pag umorder kayo sa Johnny's Kitchen. Tapos, I'll have another pork just to try yung sisig nila. Sabi ni Tin, mukhang masarap daw yung sisig. Tikman natin. Masarap nga. It's not a typical sisig Kapampangan kasi, di ba? Kami, as Kapampangan, we don't use mayonnaise in sisig. But other than that, masarap siya. And then, may crunch and a subtle sweetness, just like a Manila sisig as we call it. So, masarap. No? Yung buttered chicken, mamaya ko nakainin. Kasi, I want to focus on eating the tumbong and sisig. So, yun lang guys as our advocacy, please continue supporting local businesses. And please like, share, and comment sa mga videos natin. And, kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow, please click the follow button. Kasi dito, chill lang, kain lang, walang update. Prove!